Did we order both the new right and a left?
She had very small nerves, so it was no light perception. So we were trying to save his left eye.
Ooh, it's coming together. We're missing one more part. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khan and I'm a third-year optometry student. This week we're gonna do a week in the life of an optometry student vlog. So I'm gonna take you guys along to show you what I do, take you to clinic with me, seminars, and all that fun stuff. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's go ahead and get started. So Mondays are honestly the longest day for me. We have contact lens in the morning and then we have ocular disease in the afternoon. I just got to clinic. I basically took out all the covers and set up my equipment down here, and it's up there and a little bit right here. So my patient this morning isn't too bad. I just have a 40-year-old male here for a comprehensive contact lens exam. I'm considering doing a multifocal contact lens on him if he's interested in that, but if not, we'll just do a single vision contact lens. So contact lens is a little different. What we do is we sign up for the patients from the appointment list. It's like first come first serve kind of thing, and then we research our patient really quickly, and then we go to seminar, discuss the patients with our attendings. Afterwards, we do a seminar on a certain topic, learn equipment and all that stuff, whatever you want, and it's go time. So I'm gonna go ahead and research my patient, and then we're just gonna wait for our first patient to show up. So let's go.
Did we order both the new right and a left?
So because of COVID, we are socially distancing ourselves. UHCO kind of give us our own lunchrooms that we're assigned to. It's about 12:57, so we're gonna have seminar in a little bit. We're gonna all talk about our patients and how we plan to approach it and present our patients to our attendings. And then it's go time. I have a glaucoma patient and he hasn't been here in 3 years and he's complaining of decrease in vision. So hopefully everything goes well. Okay, so I just got done with my glaucoma patient and I had a lot of time at the end where I kind of wasn't doing anything, so I gave her basically a free dry eye evaluation and consult. So that was kind of cool. But yeah, overall a very good day. It is 3 p.m. right now, so I'm going to finish up my charts and then we're gonna have another seminar at the end where we get to discuss what we learned for today. Alright, so I finished my patient early, so what to do other than go bother Nadine while she's charting and doing work. The peds unit, it's honestly so cute, you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna head into the room to do my charts. Wow, it's a party in here. Hi.
Hi, where did you come from?
No one told me there was gonna be a party.
No one told me either.
We didn't even know. What a coincidence. Alright, so we have 4 patients today. Yes. Lindsay, tell us about the 4 patients. This is how we decide who gets what.
Yep, so we have 2 new patients, and one patient has pseudopapuloedema, so that'll be interesting.
Is that the 26?
Yeah, this is 26. And there's another one that's, I don't know, just normal, a 9-year-old.
So we usually look at the patients first, and then we bring the other 2 in, and then we discuss about it, and then we figure out who wants what.
Yep.
What about the 50-something-year-old?
It's a new patient.
New patient?
Yeah. And this one's a new patient also.
I don't like peds, so I'm okay with
I'm kind of
26
excited
or
for
55.
this one though, the 26 one, the
Excited? Well, you can take it since I took that one from you the last time. You really
You didn't even see it last
I didn't even see it, yeah. I'm okay with the 55 then. So we'll see what the others have to say. All right, Karina, our number 3. What patient do you want? I want. Okay, it is 1. So we're gonna get on Teams and then do our seminar.
Eye defective
So for some reason my computer stopped working. So I'm gonna have to open this up on my iPad. Alright, my patient's here. So let's go. So we just finished with the day.
Yes.
How was your patient today?
It was interesting. She had very small nerves.
Mm-hmm.
So basically she have elevated optic nerve head because she had like 0.1 CD ratio. So it's very tiny.
Oh wow, that's really small.
Yeah, it's very tiny. And then yeah, but that's pretty much it. And also she had Brown syndrome.
Oh, you did a lot of work today.
Yeah, so my patient took a while.
Oh, did you have a patient today?
I did.
Oh, how was that?
So my patient was interesting. He had a right leg amputated. His right leg was amputated, but the main part was his right eye was scarred.
Mm-hmm.
So it was no light perception. So we were trying to save his left eye, and he came in with the complaint of floaters. So we were hoping he didn't have a retinal detachment or PVD. But his pupils took forever to dilate, and we couldn't really get good views. So we sent him to a retina specialist to do like maybe scleral depression or like some further scans of the retina to see if, you know, what the cause of floater is. But
Oh wow.
Yeah,
You guys had really interesting patients today.
What about you? What did you have? What patient did you have, Con?
Mine was really easy. He just needed glasses. So
Oh, that's it.
I just gave him glasses.
it's pretty straightforward.
But he was a new patient though, right?
He was, yeah.
You gotta have some of those sometimes.
Yeah.
Keep it a little chill and
Yeah. Oh wait, Liz! Liz, you did my contact lens follow-up just now.
Yeah, it was the hardest.
I'm done with today. That's great. I'm so tired. And I have to go home and study for my exam tomorrow for peds. Hi guys, we're back home and I just ate. I had my mom's curry and it was honestly amazing. And so now I'm gonna study for peds. I made myself a cup of coffee. So we're going to study. It is 7. So I think I'm gonna study till maybe about 11, 12, and then call it a night. So this is the current setup. I have Christmas music playing in the background, Pete's lecture, cookies, hand sanitizer, I don't know why that's there, coffee, notes, and we're about to grind. Let's go. Alright, I just finished the exam. Went pretty well. I'm happy to say that I'm done with Pete's. Post-exam treats, Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Hi guys! Nadine, what are we doing?
We're going shopping for a Christmas tree!
Woo! So we're gonna go get some Christmas decorations, make out a little fake tree, maybe get some hot chocolate, have like a really warm and nice day today. Except, you know what's weird is that it's really hot today. It's like in the 60s versus the usual like 40s that we've been having for the past 2 days. Those are really nice days. I love the cold, but we don't really get that a lot in Texas. So it's like 65 degrees right now, but we're still gonna have hot chocolate, wear sweaters, and pretend we're in the middle of the winter. Okay, wow, these are honestly really cheap. A 6 foot for only $22, and you can always just buy your own lights. Okay, what's over here? Oh my gosh! Okay, Walmart is so cheap. Oh, this is so pretty. 7 foot, a beautiful one for $80. I feel like these are too big. Yeah, I don't think so. Should we go for the 6? Which one was that? Is it this one? Okay. Nice. Okay.
Have the lights.
So should we go for a
I like the multicolor ones, honestly.
to like this one?
Yeah.
So many ornaments to choose from. Oh, this is cute. It's only $4.
That is cute. That has a variety.
Oh, they're baby ornaments.
Oh, that's cute.
And they're shatterproof because you keep dropping them. And I didn't film any of it. I wish I brought them because you dropped them like 3 times. Ooh, it's coming together. We're missing one more part. Guys, it is up. We are done. We didn't get a star, so we're doing this. It's cute, I love it. Alright, so Revive Superfoods sent me a few of their smoothies, so Nadine and I are going to try them. So the first one that Nadine wanted to try was the pina colada, and I think these are really cool because you, there's a little slot for your straw, so you basically put milk, blend it, and then put it back in this cup, and then take it on the go. So we're going to try the pina colada, which these are the ingredients. Such a cute cup, this is adorable. And then I'm gonna try the strawberry zen, and we're gonna blend it up and show you how it goes. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And then I think you fill the milk up to this line right here. And then you pour it back in the cup. Oh wow, perfect. Okay, here's the strawberry. All right, taste test. Not very sweet. How do you like your pina colada one? Pretty good? Yeah, cool. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday morning. Usually on Thursdays we're a little bit more busy and we're preparing for labs that we have in the afternoon, but since it is toward the end of the semester, we don't have labs anymore. We're done with those. So today is like the first Thursday that I kind of have off, so we're gonna do a morning routine. This is not the morning routine I do every day. I wish it was, but definitely not. I do this probably once a week. So we'll take you guys through a morning routine. First, I wash my face using the Neutrogena acne wash. I usually don't wash my face with any acne wash or anything like that in the morning, but I've been breaking out like crazy. If you see my last vlog back in August, I was telling you guys I was started breaking out, and you know what, it's still going on, so I'm not really sure what's going on. So Karina curated this morning routine for me to do, but obviously I don't do this every day, so that's probably why it's not working. But we'll go ahead and wash my face with that toner. I'm really bad with being gentle on my skin. I feel like I'm like super aggressive all the time to it, and that's not very good. But Karina told me I needed to be gentle, so we'll gently put this on. So I'm gonna let it dry off, and I'm gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge. Ghirardelli hot chocolate. Just put some on the bottom. I will say, guys, once I'm done with this, I don't think I'll be repurchasing it because I think the Hershey's is better and easier to pour. Okay, this goes here. So what's cool about this is that it has 4 settings. One for cold milk, one for just a little bit of froth and warming up your milk. The other one is a lot of froth, and this one is for hot chocolate. One of the Anatomy Arts prints company sent me these beautiful arts to go on my wall, and I got them framed, and honestly they look so beautiful and they make my study area so good. Look, first, that's an eye because I'm an optometry student, obviously, and this semester I TA'd for neuroanatomy, and so they sent me these beautiful, girly, elegant art for the brain. And yeah, isn't that so pretty? I love it. Yes, that's my screensaver so I can get things done. I need to organize those coffee that I just got and put them here, but I'm a little too lazy to do that right now, so I'm just gonna leave them on the floor with my socks. Sorry. The sweetest thing happened yesterday. Nadine and I did a Q&A session for the interviewees for the Optometry School, and they, asked us a bunch of questions like lifestyle, housing, and all that stuff. And so afterwards, someone emailed me saying, "Dear Con, thank you so much for making my interview day so interactive and memorable. I really enjoyed talking to everyone. It made me feel like I was part of the UHCO family already. I hope one day I can also offer advice to incoming students and make their interview day just as wonderful. I'm a huge fan of yours, and I'm so glad to have been able to get advice from you. I wish you the best luck in your optometry career, and I hope to see you very soon. So please stay safe and have a great week." Oh my god, so sweet. Alright, Marina, where are we going?
We're going to brass tacks.
Yay! I got the iced charcoal. What'd you get?
I got the hot charcoal.
Ooh. Marina and I are actually trying to open this outlet, and we don't know how. And I awkwardly stood there for like a whole 2 minutes trying to figure it out, and that was really embarrassing. This. It's funny because someone else's backpack is right here, and we asked him if he knew how to open it, and he was like, "Oh, I thought you guys were trying to break into my backpack." Burglar's trying to steal the guy's stuff.
So awkward.
Guys, do you want to know what's like sit next to royalty? We've been sitting here for what, a good 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
And there's been like 10 people that came up and said hi to her.
When I say I'm just popular.
I'm sitting next to a celebrity. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired, but it's all good. Oh, hello, I can picture here. So we have film practice in the morning and afternoon today. Fridays, I have the biggest room, and so I love that. My room on Tuesday is so cramped, so I just came in, wiped down everything, wiped down chair, wiped down slit lamp, wiped down phoropter, turned this on, set up my equipment, left everything out, signed in. It's about 7:57 right now, and we're probably gonna have seminar in about 3 minutes, so let's go. Hi everyone, it's an update. It is 3 p.m. Sorry, this whole day has been honestly so crazy. This morning I had a keratoconus patient, and I fitted him with scleral lens, and it was his first time fitting, so it was kind of hard to get the right fit, and we literally tried 5 different contact lenses on him, so that was really tiring. And then I went to lunch, ate for about 15 minutes, hung out with my friends, saw them a little bit, talked to them, and then we had seminar for our afternoon clinic, and I just got finished with my second patient, and my second patient was a diabetic, so I had to fill out a form, do a really good assessment of the back of the eye, make sure there's no signs of diabetic retinopathy. But I finished with that, so now I'm going to finish charting, and then I finished early, so there's a chance I might get a second patient if they come in and they need someone. But other than that, I'm just gonna finish charting right now. Alright, I spoke too soon. A second patient has arrived, and it's a little kid. So yeah, let's go. This looks so weird. Oh my gosh.
Let's eat. It's a little hot though.
Okay, taste test. Go.
It's a little hot.
That was very anticlimactic. 0 out of 10. 10 being the best you've ever had. But you can't rate it like, you know, like a 10 as like a nice restaurant meal.
It's actually not bad.
Is it good?
It tastes like hot Cheetos. The meat is actually really good in it. Yeah, not bad. 6 out of 10, 5 out of 10.
5?
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Pretty good.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's spicy.
Mm-mm.
You didn't think it was spicy?
Mm-mm.
Interesting. I rate it 4 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
No, I lied. 5 out of 10. You're right. I would eat this again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it to 6 out of 10 then.